Mastering English grammar. 10 tips for beginners. Learning English grammar can be tricky for beginners, but with consistent practice, it gets easier. First, focus on the basics like sentence structure, subject-verb agreement, and tense usage. Practice simple sentences and gradually move on to more complex ones. Second, read English books, articles, and newspapers regularly to improve your understanding of grammar in context. Third, use grammar apps and online exercises to test your skills. Fourth, learn one new rule every day. Fifth, make mistakes. Don't be afraid to make errors, as this is part of the learning process. Sixth, try to explain grammar rules to others, which helps reinforce your knowledge. Seventh, watch English movies or shows with subtitles to see grammar in action. Eighth, use flashcards for grammar rules. Ninth, participate in language exchange programs with native speakers. Finally, review your work regularly and seek feedback. With practice and patience, mastering English grammar is completely achievable.